Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 kitchen organization ideas to get your countertops, your cupboards, and your drawers organized and clean. Having an organized kitchen makes all the difference. It makes it more functional, more presentable, and it just makes you feel good using the space. I hope this video gives you some ideas and some motivation to get started on your kitchen and organize those trouble areas around your home. Before we get started, I want to give a huge thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. More about them later on, but if you enjoy watching, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so a perfect place to start when organizing your kitchen is by organizing your countertops. They're the first thing you see. Once you get that tidied up, you can really keep the ball rolling and organize the rest of your kitchen. I'm starting with this sink area. I like to keep the things out that I use every day, so my multi-surface cleaner, my hand soap, the dish soap, but I want it to look a lot better. No matter how much you line up these bottles, it never really looks that neat. So I'm going to be replacing all of the packaging with these glass amber bottles I found on Amazon. Came in a pack of 6 in different sizes, and they also came with different tops. So there's pump ones, and then there's also the squirt bottle kind. So this is perfect for all the things that I need to be putting in here. I'm just simply filling up every single bottle, and that way, no matter what product I buy, I can keep refilling this glass bottle and it will just look the same every single time. You guys know I love decorative organization because if it's gonna be on display, you want it to look nice, but you also want it to be organized. You don't even really have to label these bottles either because the size difference and the different lids kind of show you what's what. So it's very simple. It's such an easy thing that you can do that really elevates the look of your kitchen. Another area of the kitchen that tends to look messy almost every day is this corner here. I have the olive oil and the vinegar always out because we use it every day, and I always seem to have some dirty spoon and a paper towel down to try and save the countertop. But I really want to come up with a better solution here to make it look a lot more decorative and organized at the same time. So I'm going to be using these new products here. I recently picked these up from Target from my last Shop With Me video. You might have seen them there. But I have this nice spoon rest from the Magnolia line, and I have the nice glass bottles for oil and vinegar. They have this beautiful tray that everything kind of stays together on, and really nice lids. So just like the soap and the spray, I'm going to be transferring my olive oil and vinegar into a more decorative looking jar, and I'm really excited about this. It's going to look pretty, and it's again a very simple thing that you can do to kind of decorate but also organize the look of your kitchen and just make it look tidy. This is the perfect thing to do for all of those items that you like to keep out to grab at easily. As soon as you switch the jar up, make it look a little bit more decorative, your kitchen will look that much cleaner. Another super fun, easy way of staying organized in your kitchen is by using HelloFresh. Thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. I'm so excited to share them with you guys because I think this is the most useful thing ever. HelloFresh provides seasonal recipes, fresh, pre-measured ingredients, all delivered straight to your door. So you don't have to think about what you're gonna be making for dinner, what to buy at the grocery store, what ingredients you need. It takes out all of that planning and prepping stress, and it helps you get a meal on the table in about 30 minutes. So I actually ordered the low-cal recipes for 2 so me and Christian can enjoy dinners together. We always take turns making dinners, and I'm actually running out of ideas. I have like 4 go-to recipes, so this is really gonna make everything a lot more creative, kind of spice it up a bit. I love that these recipes are so different and they're using all these ingredients that I don't normally buy from the grocery store. Like this ginger plum chicken calls for ponzu sauce, jasmine rice, plum jam. Like I don't really buy those ingredients and I don't even really know where to find them in the grocery store. So it makes it super easy that they show up with the pre-measured amount that you need for the recipe. So it really makes eating and cooking a lot more sustainable. I ordered the low-cal recipes, which I'm really excited about. They look super delicious, but you can also order pescatarian, vegetarian, low carb, low cal. So there's a ton to choose from to really fit with your lifestyle. I highly recommend checking out HelloFresh. I think it will be so helpful helpful for you and your family. If you're interested in checking it out, go to HelloFresh.com and use my code KristenG10 to get 10 free meals, including free shipping. That's HelloFresh.com, use my code KristenG10 and get 10 free meals, including your free shipping. All right, now onto some drawer organization. This drawer is kind of our key grab drawer that we grab everything from before we leave the house. So if you have something similar or you have a ton of drawers around your home that really need some organizing, grab some drawer organizers, some little bins like this, and it will definitely help. I picked this whole setup from Target for $5, and this is great because everything fits within this bigger container, but then you can also take them out, use them separately, organize it to fit perfectly in your drawer. So I'm just putting my entire bin container right inside and using these little bins as kind of like little key cubbies to separate all the keys so that everything is super easy to find. I have the lint roller there, some headphones, Purell, pens, a little notepad, and everything is exactly where it needs to be able to find it and grab at it super quickly. So I know we all have something similar to this, a drawer, a junk drawer, a key spot that definitely needs some organizing. So this is your sign to get started on it. Use some small bins like this and get it done quickly. I have this empty drawer in the island here and I just wanted to do something fun with it. So I'm going to be using these drawer bins. I also picked these up from Target in the Target dollar spot, $5 each, and it came with 5 of these little containers. So super great for just sticking inside a drawer and kind of rearranging it. But I'm gonna call this drawer the grab and go snack drawer. If you're a mom on the go, if you have kids that always want snacks in the car, if you're just somebody that's busy and on the run, then a drawer like this is super convenient. You can grab everything that you need super quickly and grab your keys next door in the organized drawer. Wow, that rhymed. You can just continuously refill this drawer and organize it however you want. Maybe if you're someone with a baby or you have small children, filling these with little toys or activities would also be something fun to do. So this is why I love organization. It makes life easier, it makes it look prettier, and it's just so much fun. Another area I want to focus on is this cat food station. We always have the big giant package of cat food and the cat treats out because we're refilling it all the time. So just out of convenience, it's sitting there and we have this old cup as a scoop, and there's just something way better that we could be doing here. So if you have a pet, you might want to try something similar. Food and packaging really makes things look messy. It makes it look like you left things out. So by just simply putting those things away into nice looking jars or containers and using some affordable scoops like this really will make the whole setup a lot more functional. I picked up these scoops from Amazon and I picked up my jars from Target. This is a way of having your things out that you need, but also keeping them looking organized and tidy. I'm just putting all of the cat food that I can fit into one jar here. That way I can refill this every week, scoop as I need, and then I'm also filling the other one with some cat treats. So those are really easy to get at as well. If you have a dog or a cat, I definitely recommend doing something similar. It will make your life so much easier and it will make your kitchen look that much better. Now onto a very important drawer in the kitchen, our cutlery and utensil drawer. This is packed filled with so many utensils and it's just not fitting. It's always a mess and nothing is staying in the right place. So I'm emptying out the entire drawer and starting again with a new divider. This is an expandable utensil organizer. So that way I can pull it open and I can make it fit my drawer size and be able to store so many more things. Plus, each section has 2 spaces for different sizes of spoons, forks, and knives. So there's room for everything in here. It keeps everything separated and totally organized. Now moving on to the tea drawer. Let me know down below if you have a little section for your tea or coffee. Let me know how you organize that. I'm going to be organizing this tea drawer actually using the utensil organizer that we just took out of the other drawer. This is the perfect thing to organize your tea. It's the right size, it will fit all the different types of tea, and I think it's going to make it look super fancy and pretty and really exciting to open up this drawer. So first things first, just like always, I'm emptying out the drawer and throwing out any garbage or empty boxes that were in there. You're going to see a common theme here. It's all about getting rid of the packaging. Once you recycle all these boxes and are just left with the tea bags, organizing the tea is super simple and looks really nice. So this honestly looks like a little tea store. I absolutely love it. When you open up this drawer, you can see exactly what you have, you can see how much you have, and you can choose between all the different types all lined up. So it's really organized, very visually pleasing, and I highly recommend making yourself a tea drawer as well. Moving on to the spice cabinet. This is what the spice cabinet looks like right now. There's so many different things in here, all different sizes, very disorganized. So I'm going to be using this little riser system to make a quick impact on this spice cabinet. This one is really wide, so it's going to take up most of this cabinet here, but give us a little bit of room at the side. So try and find a riser that fits your cabinet the best it can. That way you can really take advantage of the space. I have a little bit of room left over on the side, so I'm going to be using that to kind of fill it with my refill containers and then organize these spices kind of from least used to most used, but also trying to categorize all the spices that look similar just so it looks visually pleasing. You could take this to the next level by re-jarring all of your spices into the exact same container. That way everything looks uniform, you can label it. I have an organization video where I did that as well, but for some simple organization, this riser makes all the difference. Another cupboard that you can organize in a very similar way is your medicine cabinet or your vitamin cabinet. I'm going to be organizing all the vitamins here, again using a riser. This cabinet is a lot more narrow, so I'm using a different style riser here. This one is more narrow and will definitely fit right in that cabinet and fit everything that I need. So again, go through all your vitamins, all your medication, get rid of everything that's expired or that you're not using anymore so you can start fresh when you're organizing. Using a little riser like this takes no effort at all. It really makes everything look way cleaner. You can see all the labels, it's easier to grab at, and it just really elevates the organization of your kitchen. So if you want some minimal, easy organizing, this is definitely the thing to get. And lastly, I wanted to get my little baking cabinet organized. This cabinet is in the island, it's very deep, there's lots of room for things, and I think I've taken advantage of that and just shoved everything inside. So now it's a mess. So I'm going to be doing some simple organizing again by categorizing different products in this cabinet using these baskets. You know I love decorating with baskets, but I also love organizing with them. It really makes things look put together and put away. And I'm also going to be using this Lazy Susan. So I'm categorizing these baskets, one being all my pancake mixes. I have lots of different pancake mixes, and then the other is going to be different recipe ingredients. Just by putting things away and in a basket, it already looks that much more organized. For the bottom half, I'm going to be using my Lazy Susan to put some of my baking ingredients, some of my jars, sprinkles, things like that, all around it so that I can just turn the table and grab what I need every time I go into this cabinet. It really keeps things together, it keeps things organized, and makes it really accessible. All right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope this gave you some ideas on how you can organize those trouble areas around your kitchen. Let me know down below in the comments what area of your kitchen really needs organizing. Is it your pantry? Is it your junk drawer? Is it your spices? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed watching and found this helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. I have so many more organizing videos on my channel already, so definitely check those out if you want to organize different areas around your home. But for future videos, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel by clicking that red subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.